the Rose Coast of Brittany, and we are going to head on there and see if we can find a campsite. We don't book campsites generally, so we will see what we can find as we go along. We've got a general idea of where we want to be. Hopefully when we find the campsite we'll be able to settle up there for a couple of days and do a little bit of exploring along the coast. So we will see you when we get there and when we're all set up. Just got to film that because that's the coolest roundabout ever. An old 2CV is a flower plant. Love it!
Where's your favourite flower pot?
That's my favourite flower plant so far. God, it's baking.
After 200 yards, turn right. Then you have reached your destination.
I can see the sea. Should be around here somewhere. Sortie de camping, so it's letting you know. Ah,
turn
there
right.
we go.
Then you have reached your destination.
Camping les Plages De Beg Legeur. Here we are. Right, let's see if they've got any
You
room.
have reached your destination.
Les Plages De Beg Legeur. So we're on a lovely spot just here. Here we are in the van. There's Bernard, sat in the shade as per usual. But it's a great little spot. It's under lovely pine trees. Not so lovely when the pine cones fall on the top of your van at 3 o'clock in the morning, but it makes it interesting. But it's a lovely little spot that we've got all to ourselves, overlooking the sea. Beautiful. So I'll take you on a little recce around the rest of the campsite. This is the sanitary block nearest us. It's actually only got 2 toilets open at the moment because it is out of season. But it's fine because all we need really is the loos. We go to the main shower block for the shower. But you do have washing up sinks here, which is great. And the further you go up the side, the better the sea view gets. It gets bigger and bigger and bigger. So if we walk around here, it's a very big site and it's beautiful. It's just covered in lovely trees. Very shaded, which is what you need because it's boiling. One thing I would say is for the standard plots, you've got electricity points on the ends. So if you want to go right to the very end of the plot, you need a very long electricity lead. If you can go off electric, it's no problem at all. Excuse my clumpy feet, I've got flip-flops on. It's definitely flip-flop weather. And then just along here is the swimming pool facilities, which, as you can see, there's a lovely indoor swimming pool. Kids are having fun there. And there's also an outdoor bit, but that's not open yet because it's out of season. But the indoor facility is open. Very nice. This is the main facilities block of the campsite. Let's see if we can go in. Turn it off for a minute. We'll have a look. Kind of typical weird French toilet blocks. You can see the men's urinals. The WCs are all together, which some people find a bit odd, but it's not odd in France. And then through here, lots and lots of sinks and showers. The showers are great. They're really hot and they're really powerful. And the really cool thing about these showers is, look, they've got a little internal door. So it does definitely keep all your stuff dry. I've never seen that in showers before. It's quite cool. Ladies, free hair dryer. Yeah, so that's the ablutions block. Like I say, it's beautifully planted. There are plants and trees everywhere. Really well maintained. Look at that pretty bush. That's just at the loo block. And going round this side of the loo block, the main loo block, and these are all spaces where you can stay. And then around this side you've got washing facilities for clothes, which I've used a lot this holiday. There's a WC for disabled. Then in here they have the washers and dryers that you pay for. €4 for a washer, €4 for a dryer. That's why I hand wash, ladies and gents. So beautiful, beautiful campsite. And this campsite is part of the Axie campsite book or group, out of season, and this campsite is costing us €15 per night, which basically works out around about £14 at the minute with exchange rate. £14. It's ridiculously cheap. And there's reception. There's reception. Put yourself in. We had no problem booking in at all. And this is the bar area, bar terrace area. Bar terrace is not open at the moment. But look, from the little terrace area, you can see the coast. Pretty lovely. It's also exceedingly hot. A real effort with the flowers. Make it look so pretty. It's just the entrance to the campsite. Lovely. Sea views again. Head back this way, around in a circle. Back to Rubes. Back to Bernie. Back to the shade. I'm too hot. We're on electric because it's included in the Axie price and it's only €15, so why not? Boo! Okay, so there's Rubes on our lovely little plot, and we are just going to go and do a little bit of a recce down towards the beach. So let's go and have a little recce of the beach. You come out of the campsite. There's actually free parking just here for the beach. So you can park in there. Plages De Beg Legeur. Right, let's go have a look. This way. Well, it's a nice walk anyway, just to get to the beach. It's lovely. Gosh, you could. This feels like the south of France, and it's not. It's very bizarre. Oh, look at that!
Someone's got their house on there, look.
Oh my gosh! Wow, look at that beach. That's awesome, and everybody's having lots of fun. That's a very popular beach, isn't it? And look back there, Bernie. Look at that. And this is in Brittany, northern Brittany. That's lovely, isn't it?
It's a bit hot, is it, on the beach, to be fair?
It is hot. Yeah, there's no shade
time
there
is it
at
now?
all, is there?
What time is it? 6 o'clock?
6 o'clock.
That's ridiculously hot.
Looks good though. I'd like to go and have a little dip.
Come down early in the morning.
No, evening time. That's a beautiful beach.